boy J. Lou, and you are just in time for something new. Alright, now in today's video, I'm gonna keep it real short. Basically what I'm gonna do is show you guys how I'm brushing my left side in order to break the forks on this side. I'm basically just gonna go into a brush session, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna play some music in the background. Hope y'all grab y'all brushes and join your boy, you know what I'm saying? Basically my left side looks like 360s and everything like that. So with that being said, let's not waste any more time. Let's get straight into the video. Alright, now when it comes to this side, previously I told you guys in order for me to break this fork right here, what I needed to do was brush down in this direction. I'm here to tell you that that is wrong. Basically how I'm gonna fix this area, what I recognize is in order for me to get my waves to look the way that they need to look and to line up perfectly, I need to have them all going down in this direction like this. Basically just dropping off and ending on the sides instead of going full 360s around my head, you know? So the way that I'm gonna achieve that is simply brushing like this. Now just to break that down a little bit, the main reason why I'm brushing this way, I'm brushing to the front, but you'll see that it's kind of slightly towards the angle towards the top, is I need to pull these waves from going down in this direction. I need to pull them going forward this way. Now it'll get to a point to where they'll start lining up and they'll all start draping down straight down this way, and then I'll be able to go back and just brushing it straight forward this way. But because I'm trying to get this side looking a lot more flawless faster, what I need to do is I need to pull these connections away from going down. I need to make them, I basically need to pull them going up like this in this direction, you know what I'm saying? And I have to give a big salute to the Legion Facebook page, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna make sure I link that down in the description below, because I posted up my left side and I said, look man, I've been trying to figure out this side for the longest, and somebody ended up drawing me a diagram, and sometimes it's necessary to be able to see it from somebody else's perspective of how you should brush your hair. As soon as I saw that diagram, it showed me exactly what I needed to do. So I got to give a big salute to my boy Shaquille Simpson, you know what I'm saying? If you watch this video, big salute bro. But with that being said, like I told y'all hold me to it, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna get this left side looking the way the rest of my pattern gonna be looking. And with that being said, let's get into the rest of the brush session.
down, hold it down. I was born in the H, raised in the South. Can't tell me nothing but diamonds in my mouth. From chunk up the deuce, we keep our top drop sitting sideways on haters. With our trunks pop, knocking pictures off the wall, or knocking those down, draped up and dripped out, showing us a